So I mentioned that there are 26,000 wild plant species in use. With so many wild harvest ingredients, where can you start with them? So one thing that Traffic has done is to narrow down the focus and make that first step a bit easier by focusing on the wild dozen species. So these are 12 species picked not necessarily because they are the most traded, however, they do tend to be popular in trade, but they can also act as flagships of the opportunities and challenges of wild sourcing. So you can see from the list there, they kind of spread across the geographic spectrum. The ingredients are also found in different industries, and they also have different kind of endangered statuses. So some of them are endangered or red listed, some not. Some are CITES controlled and some are not.
So really with a big focus on adhering to quality standards and food safety standards, and then which brings us to our work with Traffic, assessing risks and opportunities of the wild plants trade. Thank you, Caitlin, for these wonderful graphics. So essentially, that Caitlin mentioned before, the wild dozen, these plant flagships. Now, if you think of conservation, everyone can think of, for example, animals, the panda, the gorilla, but we don't really have that with plants. And our aim is really to create these this wild dozen and to draw consumer and industry attention to these different species. Hopefully with more funding, we can go beyond the 12, but we're starting with 12.